Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add a film halation and bloom effects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Color tab at the bottom of the screen. Then in the Color tab, click on the search bar located on the top left of the panel. Then type halation in the search bar. Drag the halation effect into your node. And scroll down in the inspector to find the secondary glow section. Then in the secondary glow section, set the strength to 0.25 to control the intensity of the halation effect. Then set also the spread to 1.0 to determine how far the halation spreads. Then go to Color tab, then open the FX panel and search for Bloom in the search bar. Then drag the bloom effect to your node. You can also fine-tune the threshold to control which part of the image bloom. Then adjust the size and the softness to control the softness and size of the bloom effect. Then, this feature is only available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. You need to avail the version of Studio first in order to use this feature. And if you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.